we are on the East Coast Road. As you can see, Cyclone Fengol is coming towards Puducherry. Closer to Puducherry is where the landfall will take place between 2 and 5 p.m. today. And the landfall will happen between Mahabalipuram and Karaikal. So we are on the East Coast Road. This is where the public transportation will remain shut for public to not come to this place. Public transportation remains closed. You can see the rough sea here. This is the East Coast Road and teams are all on standby here on the ECR stretch. Some of the advisories that have been issued by the state government is that no public transportation, the services will be shut today on the East Coast Road. IT employees have been asked to work from home today in view of Cyclone Fengol. Indian Navy, NDRF, SDRF teams on standby. They are monitoring the situation. People lying in low-lying areas on this particular stretch have been shifted to relief camps to ensure their safety. So you can see here rough tide here between 2 and 5 p.m. The landfall will take place at a wind speed of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour, gusting to about 90 kilometers per hour. You can see here a lot of the beaches have the beaches here are shut for today. The state government has advised people to not come closer to the beach, amusement parks and other events on this particular stretch. The state government has issued advisory, but here you can see people here monitoring the situation. They've come here to see the rough tides here. A lot of people here saying that in view of heavy rains that the city has witnessed since morning, there have been a lot of damages caused. They are saying that the walls on this particular stretch that's damaged, and they say that things are only going to get worse. So they are coming here to see the kind of damage that the city has incurred even before the landfall. Well, a red alert has been issued to Chennai and neighbouring districts, including Kanchipuram, Chengalpet, Tiruvallur districts. These are some of the districts that are on red alert today. Heavy to very heavy rainfall, with isolated heavy rainfall in parts of Chennai and neighbouring districts. That's the word coming in from the IMD. And because of Cyclone Fengol and the red alert that's been issued, schools and colleges have been declared holiday in Chennai, Kanchipuram, Chengalpet, Tiruvallur, Virupuram districts. The landfall is all set to take place between 2 and 5 p.m. Now it's 150 kilometers off the Puducherry coast. It will make its landfall closer to Puducherry between Mahabalipuram and Karaikal, and you can see here the wind speed is already high. You can see the state of the umbrella and the kind of wind speed that we are experiencing here in Chennai. But when the cyclone makes its landfall, the wind speed will be around 70 to 80 kilometers per hour, gusting to about 90 kilometers per hour.